Historic currency revaluation, a new era for the Iraqi dinar and Vietnamese dong. Welcome back to Dinar Current. Today, we are witnessing an extraordinary moment in the world of global finance. For decades, speculation about the potential revaluation of the Iraqi dinar has fascinated investors and currency watchers alike. What was once only a rumor has now been officially confirmed. In a groundbreaking televised event on Iraq's national channels, officials from the Central Bank of Iraq and the Ministry of Finance announced a new exchange rate for the dinar, live before the nation and the world. This was not hearsay or leaked news, it was a direct and transparent declaration from the country's top financial authorities. The announcement revealed a dramatic adjustment. The exchange rate, which had hovered around 1,460 Iraqi dinars per US dollar, has been reset to an astonishing 1 Iraqi dinar per 1 United States dollar. This marks a complete reversal of Iraq's long devalued currency and signals a bold step toward economic revival and financial sovereignty. Immediately following the broadcast, the central bank authorized domestic and international banks to prepare for official in-person exchanges starting 8 a.m. tomorrow, Baghdad time. Iraqi citizens will be able to exchange their physical notes at the new rate through leading institutions such as Rafadain Bank, Rashid Bank, Bank of Baghdad, and financial service providers including Zain Exchange and Asia Hawala. The implications extend far beyond Iraq. For years, holders of IQD outside the country, particularly in the United States, have been unable to access legitimate exchange pathways. That has now changed. Documentation confirms that major U.S. banks, including Wells Fargo, J.P. Morgan Chase by appointment, and HSBC, are authorized to process IQD exchanges, bringing the dinar into the regulated international banking system. To ensure transparency, all exchanges will be closely monitored. Participants must present government-issued identification, proof of residence, and in some cases, receipts showing the original purchase of their currency. Every transaction will be formally recorded, eliminating the risks associated with unregulated, gray market, exchanges. While Iraq has stolen the spotlight, Vietnam is also making quiet but deliberate moves. The State Bank of Vietnam has internally adjusted the rate of the Vietnamese dong to 4,656 Vietnamese dongs and 50 Shu per USD. Analysts suggest this as part of a phased strategy to gradually strengthen the dong while avoiding sudden shocks to the global market. Reports indicate that within the next few days, Vietnam will allow both domestic exchanges and redemptions at designated U.S. centers, hinting at coordinated action with Iraq's move. For U.S.-based holders of IQD and VND, the moment to act has arrived. Preparation is critical. Ensure IDs, proof of address, and tax identification numbers are ready. If required, confirm appointments with your bank. Organize your currency, document it with photographs, and keep digital backups of all receipts and personal paperwork. Banks may also provide payout options beyond lump sum exchanges, such as structured disbursements over time or investment-based alternatives to reduce tax burdens. In some cases, customers may be asked to sign non-disclosure agreements (NDAs), especially if offered rates above the publicly displayed amount. It's vital to review such agreements carefully before signing. This development officially activates what investors have long referred to as Tier 4B, the general public who have patiently held onto their dinar and dong, waiting for this very moment. Unlike rumors of private groups exchanging early, this time it is official, transparent, and open to everyday holders worldwide. The reaction has been immediate and global. Major banks in Europe, Asia, and the UK have already updated their forex platforms, and analysts are calling Iraq's move a model of monetary sovereignty that other nations may follow. Trading volumes for IQD and VND have skyrocketed, reflecting both excitement and short-term volatility. For many, this isn't just about money. It's validation after years, sometimes decades, of patience. Investors endured political instability, financial skepticism, and countless false starts. Now, with the rate displayed live on television and confirmed by central bank officials, the waiting has paid off. However, excitement attracts opportunists. Fake exchange groups on Telegram and WhatsApp are already surfacing, trying to scam unsuspecting holders with reservation fees or promises of above-market rates. Remember, legitimate banks will never ask for prepayment or personal information through informal channels. Tomorrow marks more than just the start of exchanges, it marks history. The Iraqi dinar's dramatic return to strength, alongside Vietnam's careful but significant adjustments, signals a potential shift in global currency dynamics. For those who prepared, the doors officially open in the morning. Approach it calmly, stay vigilant, and be ready. This is not simply a financial transaction, it's the beginning of a new chapter in international economics.